Good morning and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to make my pumpkin cake. This video was requested by my friend and subscriber, and I'm very happy to make her wish come true and show her the very easy recipe for my pumpkin cake, which you could actually see in one of my previous vlogs, which I'm going to link up here. But before we start, please make sure you're subscribed if you enjoy my content. I have on my channel lots of different vlogs, health related videos, healthy recipes, yummy recipes, my opinions, trips, sometimes chatty videos and lots of other things, so do check out and make sure you're subscribed. So let's start with the recipe for my pumpkin cake, and I have all of my ingredients here and behind me, and I'm going to put the measurements on the screen as well, so you will see all of that. And I'm starting with adding oil, and it's almost 1 glass full of normal vegetable oil. So you don't use butter in this recipe, but oil. My glass is this size and I'm using almost all of it. Next, we are adding 1 glass of sugar, and I usually use brown sugar, but unfortunately I ran out of it, so I have normal sugar. To make it a little bit healthier, you could use brown sugar instead of white one. 1 glass full of sugar and 3 eggs. And these eggs are actually from a farm, ecological, free range, so they are healthy at least. And I'm going to blend it all together. Now I'm adding the dry ingredients, and I already measured almost 2 glasses of normal wheat flour. It's my glass is quite small, so that's the measurement. Not medium glass, not very tall. You can of course replace it with another flour, but for cakes I usually go with the original. Sometimes I replace the sugar, and sometimes I add some different flour. Now I'm going to add as follow. Around 2 spoons of cinnamon. I always add more for taste. 1.5 spoon of cacao, which is unusual normally in pumpkin cake. 1 spoon almost of baking powder, and 1.5 spoon of soda. As you see, I'm not very exact with the measurements. If you think you need to add something more, if it's too dry or too moist, you can always add flour, or if it's too dry, you can add oil or more pumpkin. And I'm actually going to add a little bit more of it's called the gingerbread spices. It also contains cinnamon and some ginger and clover. So let's add the dry ingredients and mix it all together, and we'll check the consistency. All blended together, and now it's time for our main character and main hero in this recipe, pumpkin. You could already see the pumpkin before it was grated. I grated 2 glasses again, a little bit bigger. The more pumpkin, the more moist is the cake going to be, but you cannot exaggerate. So around 2 middle glasses of grated pumpkin. There's nothing that speaks of autumn or fall like they do say in America, like a pumpkin cake. It's such an autumnal thing to eat, even more in winter. You can see the rest of the pumpkin. I'm going to use it up for a soup. I've already put some oil, you can use oil or butter and flour in my form, and the last step is to add some raisins and nuts, and you can basically add any raisins, any nuts you want. I don't measure them, I soak them for half an hour in water, and I'm going to cut them. What we actually have here is raisins and walnuts that we picked ourselves. I also showed that in a vlog, which I will link up here. We are done. It's actually a very quick and easy recipe. I already preheated the oven 180 degrees Celsius, and you bake it for around 40 to 60 minutes. I usually bake it probably around 50 minutes, but I will check. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you will go quickly and make this yummy, cozy pumpkin recipe and feel nice. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!